Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notifications, like the video, comment.
In this video, I am going to evaluate limit as x tends to 0, 1 by x whole raised to sin x. First of all, let me call this limiting value is equal to some value k as limit as x tends to 0, 1 by x whole raised to sin x. Let me check in which indeterminate form it is now. By substituting x equal to 0, we will get whether we are getting finite value or indeterminate form. That is, if I substitute x equal to 0 here, 1 by 0 raised to sin 0. Anything by 0 is infinity and sin 0 value is 0. Therefore, it is in the infinity raised to 0 form. As it is infinity raised to 0 form, it is indeterminate form. To evaluate this one, I have to convert it into 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form to apply the L'Hospital rule. To get it to 0 by 0 form or all those things, I have to apply log on both sides. To convert it into 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form, I will apply the log. That is, applying log to the base e on both sides. Then what happens here is log k must be equal to, and log is applied inside the limit. That is, limit as x tends to 0, log of 1 by x whole raised to sin x it becomes. Okay. Now, using the property of log, that is log of m to the power p is equal to, we are having p times log m. Okay. Using this property, I can write that limiting value as limit as x tends to 0 sin x into log of 1 divided by x. Correct. Now you can check in which indeterminate form it is now, whether finite value or indeterminate form. As x tends to 0, again it becomes here what? Sin 0 into log of 1 by 0. That is, sin 0 is 0 and into log infinity is infinity. Therefore, it is in the form of 0 into infinity form. That's why I will convert it into 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form by just readjusting the terms. How to readjust the terms then here? I will readjust the term as log, I cannot write as it is. This one I can write it as log of x to the power minus 1 I can write. And this one sin, I will write it as 1 divided by sin x. Correct? The function will remain the same, but only it is rearranged like this. Now, I can write this one as again limit as x tends to 0, again log x to the power minus 1. That minus 1 I can write here minus log of x whole divided by 1 by sin is nothing but cosecant x. Now again you can check for x tends to 0 in which indeterminate form it is minus log 0 divided by cosec 0. Okay, here minus log 0 is a minus of minus infinity and cosec 0 is 1 by sin 0. Sin 0 is 0 and 1 by infinity, 1 by 0 is nothing but infinity. Therefore, it is in the infinity by infinity form. As it is in the infinity by infinity form, I can apply L'Hospital rule now. Okay. Therefore, by L'Hospital rule, okay, what is that L'Hospital rule then? L'Hospital rule is limiting value of this will remain same after differentiating numerator and denominator separately, the value will remain the same. Therefore, by L'Hospital rule, differentiating numerator and denominator separately. I don't have to apply the u by v rule to differentiate this. I have to separately differentiate numerator, separately differentiate denominator. Therefore, log k must be equal to limit as x tends to 0, differentiation of log minus is there as it is, differentiation of log x is 1 by x whole divided by differentiation of cosec x is nothing but minus cosec x into cot x is the differentiation of cosec x. Okay, therefore now check it in which indeterminate form again. If you substitute x equal to 0 in this, minus 1 by 0 divided by minus cosec 0 into cot 0. Again it is in the infinity by infinity form. Okay, and again you can apply L'Hospital rule, but 1 by x, again it will become 1 by x square, again infinity goes on interchanging. That's before that, let me readjust the terms so that the value will remain the same, like that, as limit as x tends to 0. I will readjust here, minus of minus will become plus, and 1 by x I will write it as here 1 by x into, it is nothing but 1 divided by cosec. 1 divided by cosec is nothing but 1 by cosec is nothing but a sine into, okay, and 1 by cot. Here divided by cot is there. If it goes to numerator, it will become tan x. Correct? I have just readjusted the terms like this. Correct? Now here again a product of these two terms is there. Now I can write it as split into two terms as limit as x tends to 0. Limit as x tends to 0, sin x divided by x into limit as x tends to 0. I can write it as tan x. As a product is there, then only I can write like this. Okay, that is nothing but okay. And we know as x tends to 0, sin x by x is 1, and here it is a tan 0. Correct? But tan 0 is again 0. 1 into 0 is again always 0. Therefore, my log k value is 0, but I have chosen the limit as what? Log as to the base e, which implies it is nothing but k must be equal to e to the power 0, which is equal to 1. Correct? K is equal to 1 I am going to get. Therefore, limiting value of this is equal to 1. Like this, some more examples I am going to solve in my next videos as in the indeterminate form 1 raised to infinity, 0 raised to infinity, like that. If you not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications of my next videos. Like this video, comment, and also share this video. Thank you, friends.